Many people are eager to make money online because of its numerous advantages and relatively easy entry into this field. The great thing about online money-making methods is that you only need a computer or mobile device and a stable internet connection. You can conduct business on your terms, whether traveling the world or simply enjoying the comfort of your own home. Don't worry if you need more clarification about which online money-making method suits you best. Don't worry, we're here to assist you. This video explores 5 long-term ways to make money online. We'll provide information about the necessary tools and skills, potential profits, and the type of individuals who would benefit the most from each method. Whether you're looking to earn some extra income on the side or embark on a new online business venture, this video will help you decide how you want to make money online. But before starting the video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. We will make more videos on interesting topics in the future. Number 5. Create a newsletter. Did you know you can turn your passion for writing and expertise into a profitable venture? With the increasing number of email users worldwide reaching 4.6 billion by 2025, there's a growing opportunity to create and monetize your newsletter. Platforms like Exploding Topics and The Motley Fool can serve as great examples to draw inspiration. You can start little by sharing a landing page on your social media channels and gradually building an audience. As you gain more traction, you can invest in a website and entice your biggest fans to subscribe to a premium offering with exclusive content. Be sure to communicate the benefits they'll receive and strive to exceed their expectations. It's also important to research competitors' pricing in your niche to stay competitive. As your email list and audience grow, you can increase your revenue by partnering with sponsors and featuring their content or brand assets in your newsletter. To effectively manage your newsletters and audience, opt for a scalable email marketing solution that offers user-friendly features and pricing that aligns with your growth. Number 4. Start an e-commerce business. Starting an online store is the best option if you aim for a substantial income that can lead to a full-time career. Nowadays, it's easier than ever to set up a small business online if you find the right products or services to offer. To build a profitable business, it's essential to choose products or services you're passionate about and conduct thorough market research to assess their potential. Take it step by step and focus on shaping your brand. Additionally, you can explore the world of dropshipping, a business model that has gained popularity over the years. With dropshipping, you act as a middleman between customers and third-party suppliers, eliminating the need to maintain inventory. While both methods may generate little income, with persistence and effort, the sky's the limit. When starting an online store, there are popular e-commerce platforms to consider, such as Shopify, BigCommerce, Wix, and WooCommerce, each with its strengths and pricing options. Keep in mind that running an e-commerce store requires dedication and proper planning. Dropshipping can be a viable alternative worth exploring if you're short on time but intrigued by this business idea. Number 3. Join an affiliate marketing program. Affiliate marketing can be ideal for professionals seeking to earn a passive income, with earning potentials varying based on experience. Novices can earn up to $1,000, mid-level affiliates can get to $10,000, and advanced affiliates have the potential to make $100,000 or more. In affiliate marketing, individuals earn commissions by successfully promoting products or services to their audience. They can choose between physical and digital products, each with advantages and commission rates. Affiliates receive unique website links to track conversions and can share them through blog posts or on popular social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Some affiliates may also invest in pay-per-click campaigns to target highly convertible consumers. Various affiliate marketing programs are available, including Moosend, Shopify, SEMrush, Coursera, Capsulink, Amazon Associates, Target, and eBay Partner Network, each offering different commission structures and benefits. To maximize earnings, creating engaging and relevant promotional content is crucial. Number 2. Become an influencer. Micro-influencers, typically having 10,000 to 50,000 followers, have the potential to earn anywhere between $40,000 to $100,000 per year, although the actual amount varies depending on various factors. If you are passionate about social media and regularly create content, consider growing your presence on platforms like Instagram or TikTok. By specializing in a specific niche, such as education or travel, you can create targeted content that addresses your audience's pain point. As your following grows, you can experiment with different content types to gauge what generates higher engagement, leading to potential sponsorships. While building a profitable online presence takes time, and competition can be intense in certain markets, it's essential to conduct thorough research before diving in. You can leverage tools like Canva, Giphy, Hootsuite, Google Analytics, Ripple, and Filmora 9 to enhance your content creation. Consistency in updating your content, actively engaging with your followers by responding to comments, and fostering a sense of community is crucial for long-term success as a micro-influencer. Number 1. Start a blog. If you have a passion for writing and enjoy expressing yourself through blogging, it can be a rewarding endeavor that has the potential to generate income. Many bloggers who monetize their blogs can earn anywhere from $20,000 to $50,000 annually. To build a successful blog, targeting a particular niche market and catering to a specific audience is crucial. You can transform your blog into a profitable venture by consistently publishing high-quality content and applying search engine optimization principles. Some monetization strategies include incorporating affiliate links into high-traffic blog posts or selling business advertising space. While setting up and running a blog requires time and effort, it offers a creative outlet and the freedom to express you. Various content management systems are available for starting a blog, such as WordPress, Joomla, and Ghost, each with its own pricing options and features. You'll also need to purchase a domain name from registrants like GoDaddy or HostGator to host your blog. There are proven ways to achieve the goal of working less and making more money. By implementing effective strategies and leveraging opportunities, individuals can increase their income while reducing their workload. These strategies enable individuals to optimize their time, delegate tasks, automate processes, and continuously improve their skills. The ultimate result is greater financial success and the ability to enjoy a more balanced and fulfilling lifestyle. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, click the like and the bell buttons. We'll have another video for you soon. Take care until then.